Warmer hand.
Guys, today's topic is very interesting topic. What is the topic? Today's topic is online education is better or offline education is better. Look, both are the different formats, but this is basically education. What is the education? Education means learning something, right? But this is a different platform. Offline is what? You are going to the teacher's house, you are going to the teacher's house, learning there, and you are getting learned of a particular thing. And online education is what? Online education is what? That you are getting learned from the teacher, but with the help of internet, with the help of cell phone, with the help of mobile. So these are the two formats. So my question is, which is better? Offline or online? Which is better? I want to get your opinion regarding this, that which is better, the offline or online? Alright, so this is the question that you ask yourself and you have to take a stand. Either you speak for offline or you have to speak for online. Alright, now before starting the discussion, I would like to give some hints, that some plus points and some minus points. Please switch off the fan, otherwise the noise will come. That's the problem. Alright, the point is that first, let's begin with the online. Look, if you have supported of online education system, it has some basic plus points, rather to say benefits. What are the benefits? Rather to say, look, if you are carrying on your education through the online, in that system, you will have never wasted time. Look, whenever you are going to a teacher's house, right? It takes a lot of time and a lot of energy. So suppose you live in Raghunath, you live at Raghunathpur and you want to go to Burdwan to get educated. So it takes a lot of time and energy to go there and come back here. So it's a lot of wastage of time and wastage of energy, right? So in case of online, this wastage is not there. What is there? It is total focus on that particular education, right? Again, online education is cheap, so that not expensive. Why? Because it does not create extra expense. Because whenever you are going to the teacher's house and other expenses are there, so bus journey, train journey, all the things, right? However, in the same town, it is not there, right? But if you are going to different district or different state, so in that case it takes a lot of expense, right? That is journey expense. Again, I would like to say that online education is possible because you can do it very safely from your home, right? Suppose you don't want to go out in coronavirus time, right? So in that case, online education is a great solution because you have not to take any kind of risk. Next point is that, and that's really very important, and that is online education is very comfortable. Suppose winter is coming, or take it for granted, outside is heavily raining, or it's very extreme summer going on outside. So you have nothing to take because you are getting the education through online. So in all the cases, you are getting a lot of benefit because education can be done without getting hampered by the outer atmosphere. So these are the benefit of the online. But again, offline system has some benefits, and let's discuss about this also. Offline system is what? In offline system, you go to a teacher, right? And he teaches you. In that case, you can discuss lot of other problems that you faces. So there is a direct contact, right? And again, there are the friends you will get. So it is not about just education. It's also about gossiping with your friends, entertain. So the teaching and the education is very entertaining in the offline system, which is missing totally in the online system. In online system, sometimes what? You have internet problem. But in offline system, you do not have to depend on internet. So your education goes in a flow. So that is better, 1,000 times better. In online education, what's the problem? That teacher is saying something, there is buffering, you are not getting clear, there is no strong network, most of the village people don't have the internet connection, most of the village people even don't have cell phones, sometimes you don't have the smartphones. So all of the problems that the online system creates. But in offline system, it's a very basic system where you get the full training and full education in case of offline. Again, in case of offline, I would like to suggest you that you become more social because you gather with your friends, you discuss, you share knowledge in offline system. So offline system is better in that case. Again, in case of offline system, the local economy becomes very stronger. In case of offline system, it creates a job for many people. But in case of online system, probably the money goes outside. So not for, sometimes, because as an example I like to talk about Baiju. If you take education from Byju, the money will go outside from the local economy. So that is very dangerous for the local economy. So it has so many sides, and I hope that you are wise enough and you can find out some more points to discuss the subject. Okay, now take a stand. Online or offline?
Offline.
Offline. Right? So online? Somebody has to take online. Please raise the hand.
Online.
Okay, offline quiz from the offline system. Offline, and offline. That's good. Now online. Please raise the hand clearly. 3 people are from online system and 4 people are from offline system. So let's having a debate and beginning one by one with Suman. Go on, Suman.
I want to say that online education is very good because it has no any tendency to expense very much, and it helps to increase our study very much because it has no atmosphere pressure and not any bad relationship, because if we go to a tuition and gossip with our friends, then it our wastage of time, and the way on which we are going, that time will waste our time. But in the house we can open our mobile and we can truly read our study by our teachers. So I want to say that it helps us to increase our study.
And any point you would like to add, you can add it. Just I would like to give you sufficient time for this.
I want to add that online system helps us to increase our study more and more, because it helps to, because in the YouTube and in the Google Assistant you can get any type of answers and anything. So many types of teacher reading different subjects, and they also helps the people who the student who were studying in the Madhyamik and higher secondary. Now it is the time of coronavirus, and in this time our atmosphere is very
According to me, offline education system is better than online education system because it is easy to understand, and there is not a difficulty like a unstable internet connection. Then, in the online education system, we can see that our internet connection is not so stable, and we can do education with entertainment, which we will heavily miss in the online education system. Most of the students don't have mobile, don't have smartphones in their home, so they cannot do online education. Offline education helps you to be more social. It helps a lot to create a local economy, and many people will be jobless if offline study will be banned. Then the many teachers will not get job, and rather many government teachers are also will be suffered from this problem. That's all.
I think that online education is good because, in my opinion, in home you can feel comfortable, and you stay in your home and you doing online class. And if in outside has very hot and cold, and in this time rain, so you cannot go outside. And in this COVID time, you can stay in your home and you can doing your online class. So according to my end, I think that online education is best. In my viewpoint, I want to say that offline education is better than the online education, because if you read in offline education, you will be in full in concentration, and it will be the save of time, because sometime in the online education you will carry on your education on online, but the internet connection will be so much buffering, so you can't get the point clearly. And if you will be in offline education, you will be contact with the teacher with directly, and you can face some problems, and whatever you have the problems of the education, you can ask him the question, and the teacher will be has the solution, that you will get the solution for the teacher. So I want to say that offline education is better than the online education.
according to me that online education is all time better than online education, because there is a lot of points against online education, because first of all I think that offline education is a very old model, and because there is a lot of successful person will get success in offline education, and also what also is very big problem in online education, because in our country lot of poor student has, but they are very interesting, but they have no smart mobile phone and any other, so you will get don't opportunity for study, and this COVID situation much school is continuously study in the online education, and for this much student don't get opportunity for study, and I think that you will and it is affected in your exam time, and that time it is not responsibility by the teacher, and I think that it is a lot of times internet is a big problem, and it is also dependent on atmosphere and any other things, so overall I think that offline education is much important in our.
According to me, offline education is better than online education, because in offline education we are understand the matter of or anything very clearly, and also our in our locality now online education are not start, so how we education in online.
According to my line, I think online education is better than offline education, because it's a home education and healthy and safety education. If children are going to read in any other for outside, so their family members and the parents are very worried about it, and they did not get any news from the children, and they feel very uncomfortable to get out of their houses. So online education is better than offline education.
I think that offline education is better than online education, because there are many bad points in online education and there are very many good points in offline education. First of all, the offline education is group discussion type of education, and it helps the students to discuss about a matter, and to discuss about a matter it helps you to learn the best. And Suman said that it is the offline education is expensive, but when you are adding the expansion of the journey and expansion of the books, so if the expansions are not come, how can you read? Because if you want to read, you have to lost money, and needs to set that the home comfort. And if you want to be a successful person, and if you are a real hard worker, you never find the comfort, because comfort is always against the hard working. And Parthoda said that our friends are worried about some accidents and going out of the home. But if our parents are worried from the accident, we never can learn anything, because if we are worried about accident and about the losing of money and about other things, we cannot go out of the home. And if we cannot go out of the home, we can learn, but we cannot do the whole jobs, because if you do not do the jobs, you cannot survive in the planet, because to do all the things, anything, we have to earn money, and to earn money there are two ways, only business or job. And if you want to get job, you have to go out of the home.
Okay, reply.
Have you heard that in that time the kidnapping is getting increased in our India? So if the children are getting kidnapped for getting to get out of the home, so how they will survive?
This is okay, let him answer first.
You said about the kidnapping, but do you know that for the kidnapping there was more things that, like police will help you from
Police cannot find the kidnappers, because they are very
Okay, Rahul. I think Rahul will say something.
According to Parthoda, he said in the case of accident can happen anywhere and anytime. It is also happened in your home too. So you cannot fear to the accident. And you are saying the point of kidnapping. It is due to the.
I think we are missing the elephant in the room. We should come in the focus that whether online education is better or offline education is better. Come to the point, and Rahul starts.
And due to according to Suman, he said that in the offline education we have much expenses. But if you go to join an online course, then it will also take expense. And if you want to learn coding of app from online, then it will take more than 25,000 in a month.
It is a wastage of energy and time.
Online marketing, online study education system is also wastage of time, because in India our internet connection is not so stable that we can easily do the online classes. So how can you say that?
Suman and then Subhajit.
I want to reply Rahul that he said that in the internet, in the online system there was a buffering, and that was also a waste of time. But I want to say that in the offline system there was the more waste of time, because you go from this place to another city or another place.
If you want to be successful, you have to do hard work. You should not
But
you not after your comfort.
But success comes
Online comes from success.
Subhajit.
But
offline
you are wrong. But the success is after hard working, not after comfort.
In online education we should have a smart.
Okay, I'm not getting. Subhajit.
Sir, I have a point.
Okay,
Have a smart mobile, but
I think
in India everybody is not. Please let me complete. Everybody is not rich, so they have no smartphone. They are using geophone to.
So Subhajit, you means to say that as everybody does not have smartphone and internet
Yes,
connection,
so how
so
they are
online education is really a failure. That's what your point is, at present at least.
But you have a Jio mobile phone, and you done to class in audio, okay? But I think you
Okay, please.
you study continuously, but I think you will sleep and you continuously your study. But next time your teacher does not see you.
Listen my point.
Please listen my point.
How we.
Okay, listen the point, please. Mistu.
According to Subhajita, I am saying you that many persons have keypad mobile and Jio mobile, so the person can see.
We cannot do online classes in Jio mobile.
Yes,
How
because
can
in
Just wait. I think Reena will say something.
I want